Welcome to our video software. After you've logged in, you're going to be taken to this home page where you're going to see a link to the social calendar and templates for the upcoming days. We're going to cover this in an upcoming video. Across the top, you have some navigation items, which you'll also find replicated on the side here. Let's take a look at these. We have support. You can click here if you need to email support and get help. We have settings. Here you can come in, adjust your social accounts, which you also find on the side here. And you can make edits to change your password, update your email address. On the side here, you can also log out. And one more thing I want to show you in this video is the mobile apps. Now for Instagram and TikTok, in order to post those, you're going to need our special app, which you can get from either the Google Play App Store or the Apple App Store. Just click on whichever one you need. For example, Google Play. You can hit install if you're logged in your Google account, and you can have it pushed automatically to your phone. Or you can just copy and paste the URL, enter it into the browser on your phone. And that's it for this introduction. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to link your social and media accounts into the app.